curtain will be removed.
What is Manatek all the food? You like it, eh?
Wait, hold on. What is this called? I don't know.
Dabu.
A curry?
Yeah.
There you go. You have to have all 7 of the curry.
You have 2.
Let me see how you eat.
Oh, me?
Mm-hmm.
Roll up your sleeve more.
The only way to eat, John, the food or wedding house
And you gotta
food.
like twist it like.
How is it?
Good, man.
Good, good.
Only hand.
Yeah! Look, my baby from North Carolina, man.
Yes. Oh, you can see her. You can see this way.
The sun is shining on her. See that? Look, man, him and Roy from New York.
Oi, oi.
Listen, man, listen. Subscribe to Sean. Yes, man.
Hopefully, here we go.
Look, there's Darren.
Darren's wife. Hello, man. Hi, family.
Yeah, here, this is Monica.
Monica, all right, family. You get Hong Kong.
My brother Devin. And finally, I get to say my Bauchi. Sabrina.
Hey, family, we just come home. Is your favorite relatives here, Shiv and Diana?
Hello, hello, namaste. Good
Yes.
evening. We hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful wedding that we went to today. Congratulations to the bride and groom,
Devin, man.
Sabrina and Devin.
Yes.
It was a gorgeous ceremony. To all the people that came up that saw us from YouTube and say hello, we are so humbled.
We real.
Yeah, and we're so happy that you guys enjoy it and have fun and laugh at our silly
Yes.
videos.
Awesome, man. Thank you guys all for coming up. Took a picture with a lot of you guys, so we'll
Yes.
post them up soon, all right?
All right, stay blessed,
Later,
stay safe.
enjoy and safe back home.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
Now they are Mr. and Mrs. Seru. As for stand up everybody please.